Hi everyone, my name's Literary Donkey and today we are back doing another quick review. Today a game called Bowler, I guess, my first demo free. Hey fellas, I just released my first demo publicly on itch.io. Link is here and here and here. I've never released a demo of anything before, so this is all new to me. Here's some screenshots. Okay, right, great. Tell me what you think. Goodbye. I really think that fits the theme. I think just the whole thing, yeah, with the random icon, the hey fellas, link it just fits the game really well, to be honest. Yeah, we're gonna give it a run. Actually, what's in? Okay, this game never got finished. That's sad. The game itself actually reminds me of a game called Battle Block Theatre quite a lot. But yeah, we'll see. We're also not going to be playing with sound because it causes lots of problems and whatnot, but the sound is there. In fact, at the moment we are playing with sound. The sound is there, it does exist, and it does actually fit really well in, and really adds to the theme, I think. The sound effects and everything, they're really great. Press H. But anyway, we're going to start off. Hello my wonderful audience. Let's begin this year's amphitheatre by welcoming our musical talent, the Helicopters, and it's just a bit... play the intro, boys. Welcome to the 16th annual Chef's Amphitheatre. I mean, this is the thing, this is what I think the game is. It's just completely random. Be careful not to fall off. It's like, you know, we've got a chef telling us what to do. We're on a bowl. We're bombing. We've got a helicopter. We've not got to fall off. We've got to fight. I love this as well. He considers himself an expert in using WASD and blowing with the H key. Now that pretty much sums up all gamers. But yeah, we're fighting Hanson, and he's very good at pushing. Yep. You've seen him push a rock once. That's the instructions that let the amphitheatre credits. I think really the whole thing is just completely and utterly crazy. To be honest, like this. What is this? The art, everything about it just seems complete madness. I actually don't think you can beat this guy. I think you just have to jump off because you get this little thing. Well, you died. Great, just great. Are you dumb? I'm gonna go with yeah, I'm stupid. Well, kid, you are stupid. But sheesh, let's see some fire. Don't punch yourself in the face. Actually punch yourself in the face. I hear it improves brain function. Yeah, what? The whole thing seems almost completely crazy. Really, like this. What are we doing it again? The art, I actually really love it, to be honest. Again, I don't think we can win. Cool, you died again. Cool. Got a question here. Why you? Okay. I guess we've got to just repeatedly die. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I actually love the. Just gonna jump off. You can't keep doing this. You don't know what you're doing to me. I can't deal with someone who is this trash. She died 3 times. Most people can only do that once. You know what? I don't want to hear you talk. Okay, we're just gonna reply dot. I don't know whether we are meant to do this properly now, or at what point we can't. I don't know. I think you can beat me. I think, however fast I press it, it won't matter. I don't think I can physically do it. Being pushed off the edge, yeah, I don't think. I don't actually think it's possible. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what's going on here. The fact that we do keep getting different messages each time suggests that it's no talking. Now we're not getting any messages. Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure whether this is just poor testing on your part or whether this is meant to happen. I don't know. However fast I press H. I don't seem to get anywhere, which isn't great. Again, I don't know if it's intentional or not, but in my eyes, that's not brilliant at the moment. Oh, okay. Right, I'm just gonna say now the tutorial was not clear. It says press H, not hold H. Okay, that was my bad. That was just me being stupid, I guess. Are we doing it again? I guess we are, even though I've already done it. But yeah, that was okay. We've got to beat him using his rocket move or something. So yeah, the instructions were definitely not as clear as they could have been on that one, I'm gonna say, but okay, well, I guess we learnt eventually. Again though, I think possibly having those messages made it seem like we had to die. Okay. Chef's amazing, cool, fun, great, kooky, glop, freaky, whack, wow, wowzers, good, nice. MP this way. Can we just blow them out? We'll blow them away. Literally. I really love it. It's just completely random, to be honest. It really does remind me of Battle Block Theatre, which was a great game. It was completely random like this, but it still had a little bit of gameplay, like this does. There's still an element of gameplay just about. You blew the audience away, ha ha ha. I need 99 more to go. This time you'll be facing Glumper. Come on there. It's just the whole thing, the whole like random enemies type things. It does work really well in my eyes. I love it. Obviously there's potential work on the art. I don't know. I quite like the art anyway. I think, to be honest, you should just leave that. Okay, we now have more of a brain apparently. I think the controls possibly need a... Oh. Okay. I think we just got eaten. Yeah. Okay. I think the controls possibly need a rethink because H is a really awkward key to press. WASD, possibly space, would work better in my opinion. But whatever. It's not entirely important. Oh, okay. Wow. That possibly needs fixing. I don't know. I mean, eventually you would get it over time. If I was to do this a few times, I'd probably just immediately ace it every time. The gist of it seems just to avoid him, bait him out to this corner, and then dodge, and then push him off. Yeah, just like that, really. So yeah, I think the whole idea is actually really cool. I really don't know what to say in terms of improvements. I mean, he says it's not finished. Oh, okay, this is a bit random. Okie dokie, so you know the plan, right? Great, okay, no. It's just really random. Yeah, I really like it actually. I can't think of a okay. I can't think of really any improvements, to be honest, from it. You say it's not finished, so finishing it would obviously be great. Making it more crazy, of course, that's the goal. So just make it as insane as you really want to. I think at the moment you've kind of hit the point where there is no limit to what you can do. Just completely go nuts with it, really. It would be my advice. Of course you don't have to take it, but that's what I would say about Bowler, really. It's a really good game, actually. I quite like the bit I played in this video and before. I think it was really cool. So anyway, if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, always do as what to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.